Welcome to Big Daddy Story Time. We're reading Walt Disney's What's Cooking? Can you see Minnie there? And there's our friend Mickey. They're cooking something. Would you like to read about what they're cooking? You would? Okay, let's get started. Miska Buska Mouski Tools Mickey Mouse. What's going on at the clubhouse today? Chef Minnie is giving a cooking lesson before tonight's sleepover. Mickey, Donald, Daisy, and Goofy want to learn how to make Minnie's pretty pizza pie. Pluto wants to help too. Can you see Minnie there? She's pointing out the ingredients to her friends. There's Goofy, there's Donald, there's Daisy, and there's Mickey and Pluto. It's the pretty pizza pretty yet? Asked Mickey. It will be, says Chef Minnie. Let's use lots of colors for the toppings. Oh boy, that looks so fun. Minnie likes to use red sauce, orange cheese, and green peppers on her pizzas. But the first pizza out of the oven is not as pretty as Minnie hoped. I think, says Minnie, the pizza needs one more color. Can you see the red sauce, the orange cheese, and the green peppers? Great job, my friends. Let's try again, Minnie says. Daisy, will you make the dough? Donald, will you slice the onions? I'll be right back. Chef Minnie and Mickey rush out to find one more color for the pizza. Can you see Donald there? He's cutting the what? You guessed it. He's slicing the onions. And what is Goofy doing? Goofy is, whoa, he's helping Donald. That's so good. Those friends are helping each other. At the Moo Market, Minnie greets Clarabelle. I need something yellow today, says Chef Minnie. What do you think Minnie will want to get out of the Moo Market and to put on the pizza? What do you think it's going to be? Is it going to be corn? Is it going to be bananas? Or is it going to be pineapples? Oh, you guessed it. I think it's going to be pineapples. That's right. It's perfect, says Chef Minnie. Just 10 minutes in the oven, and out pops a pretty pineapple-y pizza pie. Yay, yay. It smells great and tastes great. Now it's time for Minnie and her pals to eat their colorful creation. Hot dog, says Mickey. Hot pizza, says Goofy. That's exactly right. Yes, indeed. Cooking and cleaning up is always more fun with friends, that is, and we need to remember that. When we cook with friends, we should help friends clean up. Sweet dreams, says Chef Minnie. For breakfast tomorrow, I'll teach you how to make pretty pineapple pancakes. Oh boy, can you see Daisy and Donald and Goofy, Mickey and Pluto? And they're having a sleepover at Minnie's right after having their pretty pizza pie. That is so great. What have we learned today, my friends? We learned from Minnie, Mickey, Donald, Daisy, Goofy, and Pluto, and then of course Clarabelle the cow, that cooking and cleaning up is always more fun with friends. Be sure to like, favorite, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more Big Daddy Story Time. God bless.